Best freelance platforms for beginners. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're just starting in freelancing and feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the platform options, don't worry, you're not alone. With so many freelance websites out there, choosing the right one is key, especially for beginners. The right platform can help you land your first client faster, build your portfolio, and start earning right away. So, whether you're interested in graphic design, writing, programming, or virtual assistants, I'll walk you through the best platforms to get started on today. Why choosing the right platform is important. Freelancing has grown massively in recent years, with platforms offering opportunities for almost every skill. But here's the thing, not every platform is suitable for beginners. Some platforms are highly competitive, others charge high fees, and some focus on specific skills. Choosing a platform that matches your skills and experience level can save you time and help you build momentum. So today, I'm breaking down the best freelance platforms for beginners, covering their features, fees, pros and cons, and what makes each one unique. Top 5 freelance platforms for beginners. 1. Upwork. First up, we have Upwork. It's one of the largest and most well-known freelancing platforms, with millions of clients and freelancers worldwide. Upwork is beginner-friendly, making it a great option for those who are just getting started. Upwork uses a job matching algorithm, which recommends job listings based on your profile and skill set. The platform also offers categories for almost every skill imaginable: writing, graphic design, marketing, tech, and more. Building a strong profile with a portfolio and positive reviews can increase your chances of landing higher-paying jobs. Upwork's main advantages include a wide range of job categories, a global reach, and an interface that is beginner-friendly with clear guidelines. However, it also has a service fee, which can range from 10% to 20% depending on your earnings with the client. For beginners, this can be a bit costly until you secure higher-paying jobs, but the extensive range of opportunities can make it worthwhile. 2. Fiverr. Next, let's talk about Fiverr. Fiverr has a unique gig model where freelancers create packages for specific services, and clients purchase these gigs directly. It's ideal for beginners because you set your own prices and have complete control over the services you offer. One of Fiverr's standout features is gig creation, which lets you offer specific services at set prices. There's also Fiverr Business, a platform tailored to premium clients looking for high-quality freelancers. The pros of Fiverr include ease of starting, control over pricing, and a structure that lets beginners gain traction quickly. However, Fiverr does take a 20% commission from all earnings, which can add up. Also, certain categories can be highly competitive, so it's important to find a niche where you can stand out. 3. Freelancer.com. Another popular option is Freelancer.com. This platform covers a wide range of skills, from web development and writing to SEO and marketing, making it an excellent choice for beginners with various talents. Freelancer.com offers a unique feature: contests. These let freelancers showcase their skills by competing to complete projects, which can help you build your portfolio and earn your first reviews. The platform also has a bidding system where you can apply for jobs by proposing your price. On the plus side, Freelancer.com offers a large variety of projects, the option to compete in contests, and secure milestone payments. However, it has high fees on earnings, and the competitive bidding system can sometimes make it challenging for beginners to find jobs at their preferred rates. 4. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a UK-based platform that is gaining popularity worldwide, especially for digital services like social media management, graphic design, and copywriting. It's particularly popular among freelancers in Europe but accessible to users globally. This platform provides freelancers with monthly proposal credits, allowing them to apply to a set number of projects. The project stream feature makes client communication simple and efficient, helping freelancers manage their tasks seamlessly. People Per Hour's flexible job types and proposal credits make it ideal for beginners who are testing out freelancing part-time. However, the platform's fee structure can take up to 20% of your earnings as a beginner, which might be a deterrent. 5. Toptal. While Toptal isn't the most beginner-friendly platform, it's still worth mentioning for those with advanced skills. Toptal is known for only accepting the top 3% of freelancers, meaning they have a high barrier to entry, but this comes with perks. Toptal's thorough screening process ensures only highly skilled freelancers join the platform, which attracts premium clients. The projects listed here are often high quality and well-paying, offering a worthwhile experience if you pass their application. The pros of Toptal include access to high-paying clients, dedicated support, and reputable projects. But for beginners, the high entry requirements make it challenging, and it's really only suited for those who already have significant expertise. So, choosing the right freelance platform can make a big difference in how quickly you find work and build your freelancing career. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so consider which one aligns best with your skills, goals, and budget. If you're just starting, Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com can be great for building experience. And remember, with persistence, patience, and a bit of strategy, you will be well on your way to a successful freelancing journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you found this video helpful.